So if I were you, I would definitely pay attention to the bell. Okay? Now, before we started, we have given you guys a quick tap up because you know there's nothing worse than trying to listen to someone while your stomach is making more noise than in this case. So what you have on your plates was or is a Patagonian trout tap from the very south of the country.
Okay.
What you have on your glasses is a Chardonnay wine from the north-ish of the country.
Okay.
So what we like to say here is that once you take a bite from the south and a sip from the north-ish, we'll meet up here in the middle of Buenos Aires to continue the journey. Okay?
Okay.
Now, as you enjoy your tapas and your wines, let me give you the official welcome to the Argentina experience. So welcome, okay? My name is Manu, but I'm not alone here tonight. I'm here with Catalina.
Hi guys.
Hi. We have Candela over there, and we have Maria over there. Okay? And between us, we have only one objective, and that is to spoil you for the rest of the experience. That's good?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. There we go. Now, before anything else, I will have to lead by example. The rest of the experience. Okay? Now that you guys are, okay, a couple seconds.
Сейчас все шапочки оденут.
Okay, now that you guys are ready to this experience, let's just say that you look amazing. I like how you guys, each one of you style differently. I like the beret all over there. That is a good one also.
I look broken.
Actually, you look like more, with your hands together like this, you look like the pole, like that.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, now that you guys are ready, let's just start by explaining a little bit about the restaurant and how we started, okay? So
Okay.
we started by... Okay, I don't know why, but every time someone comes to Argentina, they always think that steak is the main thing. I don't know why.
Steak.
We have a really strong Italian influence here. So that's why we're going to display a couple of pizzas over here with different flavors that you guys will have to serve yourselves. And of course, I'm joking. It's a joke. Okay? If it was going to be pizzas, that will be the Italian experience. Now, so this is the Argentine experience, and we are like most people think we are, and we are going to eat steak. Okay?
Okay.
It will be a beautiful piece of tenderloin that we'll pair with a couple of sides that we'll display at the middle of each table. Now, after the main dish, we have desserts. And here we like desserts so much that we have split it up into 3 different parts. The first one is going to be the pre-desserts. That will keep us a surprise, so nothing about that. Then we have the main desserts. That will be something with dulce de leche. Okay, it's original desserts. And then we have the post-desserts. That will be involving mates, okay, those cups that you see over there. And alfajores. You guys know alfajores? So it's a beer soup. Okay? Now I would like to add another thing, and that is that you guys will be pairing this experience with 3 different wines. Okay, we have the Chardonnay, the white that you're already having. Then we'll have with the picada the Pinot Noir. Okay? Those are 2 Pinot Noir grapes in the same bottle. And we'll explain that. And we'll deal with the empanada master and teacher of the night. That will be Catalina.
Мы сейчас на кулинарном мастер-классе в Буэнос-Айресе в
I know you're paying
Аргентине.
attention, but like, I have to do this. So before I start the class, I'm gonna tell you a little story. So how would you start a little story? In English. Once upon a time. They were with friends to eat empanadas. They wanted to check out. And when the empanadas arrived, they opened the box only to find 50 empanadas all looking the same. What would you do in that situation? You don't know which one is your empanada, so what would you do?
Okay. What is it? Empanadas, cheese, and tomato.
Well, exactly what happened. So by the middle of the night, the box would be full of half-eaten empanadas. Sorry about that.
We're going to this table.
But I like it. Well, in this code, they give every different filling different shapes. So first we have the meat empanada, so that's carne. They gave this little cloud shape.
Она рассказывает
Then we
про форму,
have the
какие
chicken
могут
empanada.
приобретать
Do you know how to say chicken in Spanish?
форму.
Pollo. I like what I'm listening to. What we like to do is the Y and the double L sound. We pronounce it like a shit. So if I wanted to say chicken, I would say pollo. If I wanted to say street, I would say calle. And if I wanted to say I arrived yesterday and it was raining, I would say yo soy ayer y llovía.
Сейчас мы учимся, как делать
My
эмпанаду.
helpers over here are going to use cheese as a filling because it's just the best thing in the world. So, how much of the filling do you think we should put?
В зависимости от начинки форма приобретает разную.
Okay. What we like to say is we put just enough amount so that we can leave 2 fingers in the edges.
Сорочка.
We'll leave 2 fingers because we want to close the empanada all tightly. And that's the thing we're going to do now. We close it and we press around the edges. What do you think the next step should be? Over there, take the plastic. We are in Argentina here, we do not eat plastic, so take it away. And now, what we are going to teach you is going to be the carne repulgue, and for this one you have to repeat it kind of a mantra. What you're going to do is you are going to pinch, stretch, and fold. Pinch, stretch, and fold. Pinch, stretch, and fold. And it's just those 3 things, pinch, stretch, and fold.
Варенье русские.
Stretch all. Okay.
So this was the carne empanada. For this empanada, you're going to grab in the edges. You're going to stretch it out a little bit. You're going to make ends meet in the middle, and now you're going to. No, that's it. That's it. That's it.
И все. Теперь у нас мастер-класс по приготовлению красивых. Когда я не умею лепить ни вареники, ни пельмени, вот когда не умеешь лепить, тебе достается вареник. Все, что смогла, какую-то бяку сделала.
No? Okay, but don't do the second one. Don't do anything yet. I'm going to explain the rules for the competition and then you can start, okay?
Okay.
So, for this competition, everything that Kata told you about the empanadas, you can already, do that like this and throw it away because you're not going to need it right now, okay? Right now, the rules are that you have 2 pastries to work with, but you have to make only one final creation, okay? So, the final creation is 1, right? You can mix them as you like. What most people like to do is to fill one up with ingredients, and the other one you can, I don't know, cut it into body parts. If you're doing animals or a person or something like that, you can fill one up to the body, and the other one to make the head, the tail, the legs, whatever.
Сейчас на гастрономическом туре готовимся, учимся делать эмпанадос. Кто-то делает колбасками, нам дали 5 минут. Сказали любое творчество. Вот здесь у нас такая красота у наших российских туристов. Сейчас ждем, кто победит. Я думаю, что победит Владимир. У меня, конечно, это вообще ужас какой-то. Но у кого-то колбаски, еще что-то. Розе. What is?
Supposed to be a tooth.
Wow, it is original. Это so interesting. Короче, все что-то налепили. Ой, какая.
Really, really important. Your steak.
Yes.
I don't know how much time you need in Argentina. I don't know if this happened to you already, but imagine you go to an
Американцы вроде в России вместе участвуют в
So
конкурсе.
the waiter comes to you and says, ¿cómo decir que la carne cocida por segundo más?
Sí.
I like that answer. That's what most people answer. And if you do that, well, you actually the sound the cow makes, so the cow goes moo. In the word jugoso, we like to use the word who. So who goes there? Jugoso. Muy jugoso. I like it. In this cooking stage, the meat will be sealed in the edges. They told you before, the picada is what we eat with, while we wait for the main dish. And let me tell you what this has. The first thing we have closer to me, this round thing, is what we call provoleta. So it's basically a cheese. It's a cheese very similar to provolone, but it has an Argentinian twist. What we do to the cheese is we stretch the surface so that it creates like a thin skin, and it does not melt all the way down in the oven because we like better, and it's actually a very, very hot stone, so be careful not to touch it. In a cider and paprika reduction. Then this little thing that looks like sushi roll, well, they are not sushi. This is what we, our own version of tortilla or roll sausage. Sorry, roll sausage or black pudding. This one is wrapped in a thin pastry and topped with a cream and apple chutney.
You know, if you do this, Massachusetts, it does not mean a big thing. Okay, I know that in some places this means cut off. But here it doesn't mean that, okay? Here, with this means kiss shop. Or I have no idea what you're talking about. Okay, that is the literal translation. Okay? You will see your kids doing this when parents ask about homework. Or if tomorrow you're on the street and a Spanish speaking person approaches you and asks you something like, ¿qué es otra posición superior para que por la boca, no por el otro lado? No. You will say no. But someone would say that okay.
Означающее, что я не понимаю, который он говорит, стуча по столу.
Okay. Now, the best of the best of the best is la posta. Okay. When I'm giving you la posta, I'm giving you it's the best of the wine. So all the wine is la posta. Okay. I want you guys to go back home and people start asking you what Argentina.
Когда спросишь Мальбек,
The wines. Okay. I have to, you know, that's a lot of effort. Okay. When people start asking you about the wine in Argentina, what would you say? And when people start asking you about the Argentine experience, what would you say? There we go. We'd like to do a little bit of brainwashing before the main dish.
Having a size. The first thing in this black big bowl, what we have is a mix of greens. We have like a salad dressing,
зеленые салаты, оливковое масло,
also we have some potatoes with pesto.
песто.
Then the next thing we have are some crunchy sweet potato with aioli sauce on top. And the last thing we have is a ratatouille with 5 different vegetables such as portobello mushrooms, eggplants, zucchinis, onions and tomatoes. Also, we have this chimichurri sauce.
О, чимичури.
Can you guys say chimichurri?
Chimichurri.
I like it. I like how that sounds. It's a
know
mix of
it's
herbs
chimichurri.
with olive oil that pairs perfectly well with your steaks. And now in the dinner, chimichurri.
I know it is chimichurri. He doesn't has color red. What is ingredients? It is tomato, it is vinegar, onions, tomatoes. It's original national
Celebration of I feel it doesn't have race.
Yeah, this one's like more like American style.
Yes, I looked on internet. It is chimichurri. It doesn't tomato. It doesn't have tomato. Onions, peppers, vinegar. Chimichurri, vinegar. Yes, okay. What is ingredients chimichurri?
There's a lot of it. It's like oregano, parsley,
What is red color? Why is red color?
that is because of the spices that we have. It's like,
The spicy pepper?
it's not spicy.
No tomato.
Sorry?
No tomato.
Tomatoes? No tomatoes.
No. Anything else?
I can see so,
I write to the internet. This original recipe includes onion and chili pepper.
no, that is not this one.
No.
Tomillo is thyme.
Дискуссия.
Well, the chimichurri, we
Yes.
made the chimichurri with roasted garlic,
Yes.
thyme, oregano, parsley,
Yes.
wine vinegar, olive oil, and salt.
Oh, thank you.
welcome.
Thank you.
Spatula with a dessert. This is the pre-dessert. We call it sweet and cheese. So that would be queso dulce. I'm going to ask you guys to grab one spatula, everyone, please. A little bit.
Сгущенка местная.
Just a little. Another maizena cookie. We put it on top. For me, like a little sandwich. And just press.
Italian macaroni.
We press
Макарония.
carefully because they are very fragile. And now what we are going to do is roll it in 5-minute shape. So this is the traditional.
Это не сахар, это стружка. Кокосовая. Ну что вы национальное
Here
блюдо
in
не
the Argentine
знаете?
experience, we like to go one step further. Empanada, that's right. I announce it. Can I get some drum rolls, please? Okay, so the winner is. What is this? I don't know. I think it's a rabbit. Could it be?
Crocodile.
Over here, someone
Мышка,
It's over here.
Over there.
Собака какая-то.
With the winning empanada.
Ну что?
That's a bad news. I never said anything. So the good news is that this crab is over, and the good news is that sorry, the bad news is that the Argentine experience is officially over. Okay. I know you will be sad, but that's okay because we're gonna.